Welcome to Eagle News. Our topic today is: nearly half of the British people believes that Prince Harry should lose his royal title after the Netflix series. Following the premiere of his Netflix docuseries Harry and Meghan, Prince Harry is still losing the citizenry's favor in the United Kingdom. The Duke of Sussex should abandon his royal title, according to nearly half of respondents in a recent YouGov poll conducted in the UK on behalf of The Times. According to the poll, 44% of participants said Harry's title should be taken away, while 32% thought it should be kept. Following the release of the two-part docuseries earlier this month, polling revealed that after watching it, respondents had more sympathy for Prince William and his wife Kate Middleton than for Prince Harry and his wife Meghan Markle. Only 17% of respondents stated they sympathized more with the Sussexes, compared to 44% who said they felt greater sympathy for the Prince and Princess of Wales. Following the release of the docuseries, the public's perceptions of Harry and Meghan also declined, with 23% saying they now had a negative opinion of the couple and only 7% saying the opposite. Harry and Meghan made the decision to leave their positions as working members of the royal family public in January 2020. The couple relocated to the country and are now residing in Montecito, California. Only 11% of those polled thought the pair had been driven out of the royal family, while 65% said they had departed on their own initiative. Harry and Meghan accused an unknown member of the royal family of racism in a 2021 Oprah Winfrey hosted television special after they said the person had made a remark about their son Archie's skin tone. Nevertheless, 26% of those polled indicated they thought the royal family was a racist institution, while 49% claimed they did not. The pair, according to a previous Sunday Times report, wants a royal summit and an apology from the family. The Home Office should not provide security for the two, according to the majority of survey respondents who agreed with this position. 32% of respondents thought the British government ought to give them police protection. The public, with 51% in favor and 31% opposed, believe that Harry and Meghan should be invited to King Charles III's coronation next summer. Author Tom Quinn commented on the recent polls, telling The Times that he was just astonished that the documentary didn't do more damage to the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. Quinn is the author of Kensington Palace, an intimate memoir from Queen Mary to Meghan Markle. Only 19% of respondents in the poll believed Harry and Meghan were deserving of an apology, while 53% said they didn't think they did. The U.K. Ministry in charge of Immigration, Security, and Law Enforcement, the Home Office, decided that Harry and Meghan would not be provided with private police protection while they were in the nation after they resigned from their positions as working royals. Harry has contested that choice in court. Added he, "It was difficult for me to watch because it brought home how lost they truly are. It is incredible that they believe this will somehow make their situation better." Quinn remarked, "I'm not at all shocked that people are feeling more sympathetic toward the Prince and Princess of Wales since they are acting in the traditional way of being stoic. They aren't criticizing Harry, either. Since it would appear that Prince William and the Duke of Sussex are acting similarly to Harry and Meghan, I don't believe the King will depose the Duke of Sussex. Their strategy is to maintain composure and refrain from reacting violently."